Here is the list of the National Unity Platform members of Parliament who signed a resolution condemning the clandestine giving of 100 million to MPs from the classified budget of State House. The leader of opposition, Honorable Joel Senyonyi, said signing this document is like taking an oath of allegiance. It is a public commitment of these members disassociating themselves from the 100 million shilling saga. If any of them signed yet, they pick the money, it will certainly catch up with them. 1. Joel Senyonyi, MP Nakawa West. 2. Nabeshe John Baptist, MP Manji Ambale District. 3. Muwanga Chivumbi, MP Butambala. 4. Zake Francis, MP Mitiana Municipality. 5. Muwada Inkunyinji, MP Chadondo. 6. Luyimbazi David Karanga, MP Busuju. 7. Kayemba Solo, MP Bukomansimbi South. 8. Kanyike Evans, MP Bukoto East. 9. Seekabira Dennis, MP Katikamu North. 10. Serubura Stefan, MP Lugazi Municipality. 11. Saz Godfrey, MP Gomba. 12. Mukasa Alozias, MP Rubaga. 13. Balimwezo Ronald, MP Nakawa East. 14. Musoke Wakaima, MP Nansana Municipality. 15. Luyimbazi Nalkola, MP Kawempe North. 16. Mayanja Alan, MP Nakaseke Central. 17. Nachimuli Helen, MP Kalangala. 18. Simbwa Fred, MP Nachifuma. 19. Nabukera Hanifa Hussein, MP Mukono District. 20. Mugabi Susan, MP Buvuma District. 21. Betty Naluima, MP Wakso District. 22. Alan Sewanyana, MP Machindie West. 23. Chiwanda Abdallah, MP Mukono North. 24. Joyce Bagala, MP Mitiana. 25. Tebandeke Bale Charles, MP Kayunga District. 26. Brenda Nabukenya, MP Ruwelo District. 27. Namboze Teddy, Woman MP Impiji District. 28. Sechtoreko Robert, MP Babnanika Constituents. 29. Patrick Insamba Oshabe, MP Kasanda North Constituents. 30. Chiaga Hillary, MP Maukta North. 31. Kabuye Frank, MP Kasanda South. 32. Nyeko Derek, MP Machindie East. 33. Matov Charis, MP Busiro South. 34. Kaya Christine, Woman MP Chiboga District. 35. David Serukenya, MP Machindie Sabagabo. 36. Aisha Kabanda Nale, MP Butambala District. 37. Dagile Christine, MP Bukomansimbi North. 38. Paul Msuvuga, MP Busiro North. 39. Segona Rubega, MP Busiro East. 40. Nabagabe Kale Flavia, MP Kasanda. 41. Abeka Kawalia, MP Rubaga North. 42. Chabakuti Kamanjeri, MP Jinja City. 43. Geoffrey Lutaya, MP Kakuto. 44. Chirumira Hassan, MP Katikam South. 45. Namboze Bakireke, MP Mukono Municipality. 46. Kakembo Michael, MP Entebbe Municipality. 47. Nanyondo Veronica, Woman MP Bukomansimbi. 48. Katabazi Francis, MP Kalungu East.